looks like?
I think so. I think our moment's passed.
Oh, come on, I'm not expressing myself.
No, you are, Dex. That's the problem. You're buried in my care.
Hey! Hey! Come back here! Come back, you little... Hey! Dave! Come back! Come back here! Wait! I stole my clothes, you little... Someone call the police! Wait, come back! Please stop laughing and do something to help! Look how Marnie that suit was! This little frog's even to my underpants!
Armani?
No, Calvin Klein!
Oh, Dex, I'm so sorry.
You French bastard!
I need to keep